Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one with 4 stars. In additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 13th. Yes, Friday the 13th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. This one is the last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku number 7267. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 15. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, I believe. Yes, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this one can be a 1. We have a 1 here, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And these 2 boxes, well, I need to mark those because I need more information. Otherwise, I cannot fill those numbers. Next question, triple boxes. Do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? No quadra box in this puzzle. Then I have the next strategy. My next strategy is to look for shapes. Look for figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More? Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No, only one L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of this kind of shapes here? Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only a 3. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, this area, we need a 1. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1, and this box will be a 2. Then. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution place the 2 there. If we place a 2 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here. So not the solution place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright. Okay, now. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Well, this box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area and should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, let me mark those. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here. Alright. I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. One box left in this area for number 4. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. That means that this box cannot be 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. If I place a 1 here or a 3, then I cannot fill any 1s or any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the digits should be the number 2 in this triple box. Alright, so two numbers left, the 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1, okay. Now. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 2. Alright. Now. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there, a double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. So I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 should be here. Alright. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4. One box left in this area for number 5. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4. All right. Well. These two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay. Here also two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. Alright. Okay, these two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5 now. Okay, two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, let me mark those. 1 and 4. Then let me think. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I need to think hard. Think hard. Well, 1, 3, 5. 2 or 4. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 1 or a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1, we have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 4 here, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3 here, so the 3 should be there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, and now, almost finished here. 1 and a 2, well, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. And it's connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area from this 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, told you, should be an easy one because it has 15 printed digits. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Yes, it's a weekend. So have a great and fantastic Friday. Bye-bye for now.